Compact luxury homes show that elegance and comfort don't need large spaces. They combine modern architecture with natural beauty, creating homes that feel open, warm, and connected to the outdoors. When lush tropical courtyards, stylish outdoor furniture and open patios come together, the result is a lifestyle built on ease and sophistication. These homes prove that true luxury isn't about size. It's about balance, light, and thoughtful design. At the centre of every compact luxury home is a courtyard. It acts as the heart of the house, filling each room with natural light and movement. Surrounded by greenery, it brings calm to daily life. Tall palms, ferns, and tropical plants create privacy while softening the structure of the home. The courtyard becomes a living space in itself, a quiet escape framed by nature. The sound of water, the rustle of leaves, and the touch of sunlight make it feel alive, turning what might be a small layout into a peaceful retreat. Designers use courtyards to connect indoors and outdoors without losing space. Large sliding doors or glass walls open completely, letting fresh air and daylight flow through the house. This natural ventilation keeps rooms bright and comfortable. Each area, from the living room to the dining area, feels open yet defined. The boundary between inside and outside disappears, creating one continuous experience of space. The result is freedom without excess, luxury that feels effortless. Outdoor furniture plays a key role in shaping these spaces. Clean lines, quality materials, and comfort define the modern tropical look. Lounge chairs made from natural wood or rattan, soft cushions in neutral tones, and low tables with stone or metal finishes create a relaxed elegance. The furniture complements the greenery rather than competing with it. Every piece is designed for real use, perfect for reading in the shade, hosting friends, or enjoying a quiet evening breeze. Open patios expand the feeling of space even further. They often sit beside the courtyard or extend from the main living area, designed to blur boundaries between home and garden. Smooth stone floors, wooden decking, or polished concrete led seamlessly outdoors. A pergola or slatted roof filters sunlight, keeping the space cool while still bright. These patios act as outdoor living rooms, shaded, stylish, and perfectly balanced between structure and openness. Lighting makes all the difference in compact tropical homes. During the day, natural light dominates, creating soft shadows through plants and across textured walls. At night, warm outdoor lighting brings the space to life again. Small lamps under foliage, subtle wall lights, and lanterns on tables create layers of gentle glow. Instead of overpowering brightness, the light feels soft and warm, highlighting textures and shapes. The atmosphere becomes cozy and refined, proving that even minimal light can feel luxurious when used thoughtfully. The combination of tropical courtyards, stylish outdoor furniture, and open patios forms a rhythm, nature, comfort, and architecture working together. These homes don't impress through scale, but through detail. They invite you to slow down, to enjoy space that feels alive and beautifully balanced. Compact luxury is not about limitation, it's about intention, making every square foot meaningful and every corner a reflection of care. If this vision of tropical luxury inspires you, make sure to like this video, share it with others who love modern design, and subscribe for more ideas on creating homes that blend nature, comfort, and timeless style.